Hello and welcome everybody. In this video we'll be configuring your SP-001 or SP-002 smart infrared sensor using Omega Sync software. So let's get started. To perform this configuration you'll need one smart sensor of course, and one smart interface cable, a Windows PC running Omega Sync software. Just to verify our reference temperature target, we're using a digital handheld thermometer with a thermocouple surface probe. First, if you aren't already running Sync, you'll need to download and install it. Go to ftp.omega.com/public. Choose the temperature group. Click on Products. Then scroll down to SP-001 and click on the folder. Inside you'll find the Omega Sync zip file. Download and install it. Once it's installed, you can launch Sync and begin setting up your smart probe. Now you can connect the smart probe to the interface cable and plug it into the USB port on your computer. Omega Sync will automatically detect the smart sensor and begin displaying temperature readings. If Sync does not automatically detect your smart sensor, click on the plus icon located at the top left of the Sync interface. Select End Device Probe and click Next. Select your communication interface type from the drop-down menu and set your preferred command timeout, device address, and device ID port. Then click Finish and your smart sensor should start displaying temperature readings. Now that we've got our sensor up and reading, it's time to calibrate. To help us calibrate our smart probe, we're going to use an ice bath to achieve a known temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Now we'll verify the temperature with this surface probe. And sure enough, we've got 0 degrees Celsius. Now let's open the emissivity dropdown and enter the known emissivity value for ice, which is 0.97. And click Apply Settings. And now we can see the temperature reading of the ice is 0, or pretty close to it. But what if you don't know the emissivity of the surface that you're calibrating to? Well, you can click the Calibration button and enter the target temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Click Calibrate and then click Apply Settings to finalize. And now we'll point the smart sensor at the ice, and we're getting 0 degrees. Now let's set an alarm. Click the bell icon next to the input you'd like to customize. That will open the Define Alarm window where you can enter your threshold, let's say 5 degrees for a duration of 2 seconds, and then click Save to finalize. So now if I aim the smart sensor at anything with a temperature above our alarm set point, we should see an alarm. And there it is. So that's how you configure your SP-001 or SP-002 smart sensor. If you still have questions, give us a call or chat online at omega.com. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe.